high. Battery voltage too high causes the relevant parts to stop working. Electronic control unit internal battery voltage signal too high. Battery voltage here 15 volts. No good. 15.4. Alternator IC possible damage. Voltage regulator. That's why the scanner says here. Battery voltage is around 15 volts. So when I check this code, battery voltage too high causes two relevant parts to stop working, and the electronics internal battery voltage signal too high. So that's the cause of it. So we need to correct the one first before anything else. Okay, update for this unit with the fuel issue. Here's the codes that we found out. So I did not focus on the sensor or anything else or the rail pressure. I only focus here in the battery voltage too high. So when I check the alternator gives a 15 volts up. So the voltage regulator is not functioning. So what I did now is replace the alternator and clear all the codes, and then check and monitor the voltage. So we'll try to start this one. Okay, here's the actual voltage reading during charging. So yesterday this is 15 volts to 16 volts, so much high. So I replaced the alternator, then charge now is okay. Even I accelerate it to high RPM. So no codes and problem has been solved. The main issue is the alternator.